Hey everyone, it's Brian with Pokevault.com, and today we have two brand new booster boxes of Japanese Pokemon cards. These are the XY11 series, and I'm going to open one box of each and just give you a quick look at what's inside. So let's get started. Okay, the first box we're going to open is the box right here. If you read the Japanese, it's Bakunetsu no Toshi, which, depending on which Pokemon site you look at, this is actually translated as Explosive Fighter or Fever Burst Fighter. Personally, the best translation I think is Explosive Fighter, but it's up to you. Depends on what site you look at. But anyways, we're going to call it Explosive Fighter. And you can see this is the first edition, Series XY11. There's 5 cards in a pack, and there are 20 packs in a box. So let's get started and open one of these. Okay, to save time, I actually cut the packs, but I haven't looked at what's inside yet. So we're going to go through these. You can see on the bottom, it's kind of hard to see, but the series has the purple sign on the bottom, XY11. We'll just go through these. Okay, here's our first holofoil. It's Pyroar. And you can see that. Pretty cool card there. Okay, and this card is nothing. This is just an advertisement. So we'll go on to the next pack. Any of you who have not already, hit the subscribe button. You'll get all our videos sent right to your inbox. We got a lot of good stuff coming up, contests, and some other good stuff. So give us a subscribe, and you'll get all the best videos. Here we go again. This is a unique card. I've never seen that before. I like that one. Cubchoo. Oh, here we go. Here's our first EX. This is the Mega form of Steelix. Canyon Axe. And you can see this is the new style card. You can see it's split right down the middle. There's 2 different sides here. This just started in this series. So we'll keep this one aside for later. Okay. Croagunk. Joltik, like that card. Ah, cute. Okay. So you can see there is not a holofoil in every pack. So it's like the other series before this. It's been that way for a while now. Litwick. Ah, Klefki, that's a nice one. I like that. Wow, here we go. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is the Pokemon Ranger card. SR on the bottom, number 58 of 54. One of the super rares in the set, or depending on what you call it, but in Japan we call it a super rare. That is nice. Full art card. Beautiful holofoil. Nice card. I like that. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. And I'm assuming you only get one of the rares in a box, and not necessarily in every box, but we'll see if that's true with this series or not. Here's our second holofoil. This is Volcanion. This is one of the new characters. Very nice card. And any of you who are interested, you can always go to Pokevault.com. You can check it out. We got cards, we got plush toys, we got keychains, we got everything. If you're interested, check it out. I'm going to be listing these, some of the holofoil cards as well. Booster boxes, of course, are on there already. So if you're interested, come take a look. It's Pokevault.com. That's a cool card right there. Fletchling again. Now this series is a little bit smaller than the last series, and that's because there are 2 different booster boxes. There are 54 cards in this series. I believe there's 1 ultra rare and I think 4 of the super rares in this series. So it's slightly smaller than before, but there are 2 series instead of 1. Here's another one. We got another holofoil. It's a nice card. Put that aside. Cobalion again. So this series seems to have a lot more of the Volcanions and that kind of stuff in this series. I'll show you. Oops. Dropped it. Also, if any of you are interested, you can always check us out on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. We got all kinds of good stuff on our Facebook page. We got contests and trivia and lots of good information of upcoming stuff. So check it out if you like. It's Facebook/Pokevault. Of course, Pinterest and Twitter as well. Here's the Steelix Spirit Link, sorry. It's a nice card. So it seems like there's a holofoil on about every 2 or 3 packs. Pretty consistent with before. And there's some of the older characters as well. Here we go. Here's our first break card. And this is that new style they started a few series ago. It's a prism, as you can see. So a little different than a holofoil, and the cards are sideways. Some people like them, some people don't. And that's it for this pack. Okay. Fungus. A lot of repeat cards here. Okay, about 6, 7 more here. Bonita. That's beautiful. Here's a Steelix EX. You can see RR, double rare. That is cool. It's got kind of a 3D effect. Very nice. Like that card. Okay, this is what I was waiting for to show you. This is a better example of the card that's split in half with the grass and the dark. That's a new style that's coming up for this series. Very cool. That's another holofoil, Shiftry. Very nice. Okay. Last few here. Okay, another card, the double split side here again. Okay, Xerneas. Another holofoil. Pokemon Ranger. A lot of these are doubles, so I'll go through them quickly here. Okay, two more. Now there's Xerneas. Alright. And one more. Looks like that's all we got here. Yep. Okay, that was it for the Explosive Fighter series. And let's move on now to the other series here. And that is this one. And you can see it's Reikoku no Hangyakusha, which translates as Cruel Traitor. And I've also seen this one as Ruthless Traitor, but to me the better translation is Cruel Traitor, just from the Japanese written here. But it's up to you, whatever you want to call it. Again, there's 20 packs in the box, and there's 5 cards in a pack. So again, these have 2 different names as usual. I don't know why, but until they completely decide exactly what the name is, we'll call it Cruel Traitor. And inside the box, now this series I like really well because it has a lot of the Gardevoir in it, which I really like. So here's the first set, first card pack. Mankey. Nidoking. Okay, that's it for pack 1. That's a nice card. Okay, here's another one with the split. That is actually a color, different shiny form. I like that. That's very cool. I'm going to keep that card aside too. And the Gardevoir Spirit Link. Okay, here's our first holofoil. Yveltal. Iberutaru in Japanese. So that goes along with the Xerneas. And that's it for that pack. Ah, beautiful. There it is. Look at that. The mega form of Gardevoir EX Despair. The shiny form. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Card number 57 of 54. The SR card. Full art. It's a gorgeous card. I love that card. Okay. So it looks like we got the rare one early, so I'm not expecting another rare. But you never know. Persian Nidoran. Okay, here's another one of the new style cards. This is B Sharp, and again you see the shiny form or the different alternate color form in the holofoil. It's very nice. It's actually a pretty cool set. I actually like it better than the last set. A little bit different. It's a cool card. Okay, here's our second one. Another of the Break Prism cards. Okay. Meowth. Gotta have a Meowth in every set. Okay, here's another holofoil. Another of the new forms. These are cool. Some more repeats here. Okay, here's our first of the Generation 7 characters. This is Magearna, I believe it's called, at least in Japanese. Here's the EX. This and Gardevoir, this character and Gardevoir seem to be the ones in this series, in this set. So again, it's the double R EX form. Okay, another holofoil, Ampharos. It's cute. Keep that aside. So again, it's Pokevault.com if you want to come check these out. I do have pictures and everything so you can see. Here's the another holofoil, Hydreigon. Believe that's what you call it in English. Not real familiar with the English names since I live in Japan, but I do my best, and I'm sure I mispronounce a lot of them, but bear with me. Okay, a few more here. Okay, another holofoil. This is Hoopa, the Unbound form, I believe. It's a pretty cool card. Okay, looks like 3 left. of these I didn't open very well, so it takes a little while here. Wow, here we go. We got the other, the mega form of Gardevoir, Despair Ray again. That is really cool. Again, it's the RR. Very nice. Okay, one more pack. Okay, that's it. So I'll just give you one more look at the cards. This was from the first set, Explosive Fighter. Here's the holofoils again. So it looks like we got 9, so almost 1 in every 2 packs. And the Cruel Traitor series. Now in this one, we got 10, so 1 in every 2 packs. So it is, again, it's random. And that's it, guys. So I'll be back again with another video. And again, it's Pokevault.com. Come check it out. And I'll be back again with another video or a contest. Thanks. Bye-bye.